We understand that most healthy drinks are completely disgusting, and it's really hard for your kids to drink it, so we strive our best to create the most tasty, delicious, healthy drinks possible. After brainstorming a couple of video ideas, we wanted to see if we can do a taste test with a couple of kids we knew, within the family, kids of friends of friends, to see what they would think about our products.
I like it.
I like how it feels on your tongue. It's smooth, chocolatey.
Tastes kind of like if there was a chocolate cake batter, then it would taste like that. I love it. I don't know how to describe it. I love this one too. Yeah.
Cool.
I like it.
Had a really neat texture and it tasted a lot like chocolate.
Yeah, tasted a lot like chocolate ice cream. It kind of tastes like cake batter almost, like the ice, like the frozen yogurt almost. I like it. I think it's really good, and I think it has like a vanilla flavor.
Again, I like the way it feels on my tongue. I prefer the chocolate one personally.
I like the chocolate.
Man, that was so adorable. But if you don't believe us, we kept the cameras recording after they thought that they were done being recorded, and every single kid finished their drink after they thought the cameras were done recording. Look at that kid. She's still going. Look at her. Come on, she can't hold herself back. The drink's so good. She's just, oh man, she's really going for it. Yeah. Tasty, huh? We know. So go grab your kid a bottle of KOS now. We're pretty sure that your kids are gonna love it. You're welcome.